Welcome to the Digital Millionaire Club. If you're looking to unlock the secrets of making money online, mastering SEO marketing, and building a successful digital business, you're in the right place. Here, we dive deep into the latest strategies, tools, and trends that can help you dominate the digital landscape and achieve financial freedom. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned marketer, our content is designed to empower you with the knowledge and skills to turn your online ventures into thriving, profitable businesses. Subscribe now and start your journey towards becoming a digital millionaire. 1. Understanding SEO, the foundation of online success. SEO is the process of optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, thereby increasing organic, non-paid traffic. This involves a combination of on-page optimization, like keyword usage, meta tags, and content quality, off-page factors, such as backlinks, and technical SEO, like site speed and mobile friendliness. Mastering SEO is crucial because higher rankings lead to more visibility, which can result in more traffic, leads, and ultimately, revenue. Whether you're driving traffic to a blog, an e-commerce store, or a service-based website, SEO is a fundamental tool for attracting potential customers. 2. Monetizing your SEO efforts. Once you've optimized your site and content for search engines, there are several ways to turn that traffic into income. Here are some of the most effective strategies for monetizing SEO in 2024. 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to earn money through SEO. By partnering with companies to promote their products or services, you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to choose the right niche, focus on a specific niche where you can establish authority and attract a dedicated audience. For example, if you have a tech blog, you could promote gadgets, software, or online services. Create high-quality content, write in-depth reviews, comparison articles, and how-to guides that provide real value to your audience. Optimize this content with relevant keywords to rank higher in search results. Leverage long-tail keywords. Target long-tail keywords that have lower competition but high intent, which can lead to better conversion rates. B. Selling products or services. If you run an e-commerce site or offer digital products services, SEO can significantly increase your sales. Here's how. Optimize product pages. Ensure your product descriptions are detailed, keyword-rich, and include high-quality images. Use schema markup to improve the visibility of your products in search results. Content marketing. Create blog posts, tutorials, and videos that provide useful information related to your products or services. This not only drives traffic but also builds trust with your audience. Local SEO. If you have a physical store or offer services in a specific area, optimize your site for local search. Use location-specific keywords and claim your Google My Business listing to attract local customers. C. Ad revenue. If you run a content-driven website like a blog or news site, you can monetize your traffic through ad networks such as Google AdSense. By placing ads on your site, you earn money every time a visitor clicks on them or views them, depending on the ad model. Focus on high-traffic keywords. Create content around high-traffic keywords that attract large volumes of visitors. The more traffic you generate, the higher your ad revenue. Optimize ad placement. Strategically place ads within your content where they're more likely to be seen and clicked. However, ensure that ads don't disrupt the user experience. D. Offering SEO services. If you're an SEO expert, offering your services to businesses can be a lucrative way to earn money. As companies increasingly recognize the importance of SEO, there's a growing demand for professionals who can help them rank higher in search engines. Freelance SEO consulting. offer your services as an independent consultant, helping businesses with their SEO strategies, audits, and implementations. SEO agency. If you have the resources, consider starting an SEO agency that offers comprehensive services, including content creation, link building, and technical SEO. Online SEO courses and workshops. Share your expertise by creating and selling online courses, ebooks, or conducting workshops. This is an excellent way to earn passive income while establishing yourself as an authority in the field. 3. Staying ahead of SEO trends. SEO is a never-changing field, and staying updated on the latest trends and algorithm changes is crucial for success. Here are a few trends to watch in 2024. Voice search optimization. With the rise of smart speakers and voice-activated devices, optimizing for voice search is becoming increasingly important. Focus on natural language and conversational keywords. AI and machine learning. Search engines are getting smarter with AI-driven algorithms like Google's RankBrain. Create content that answers users' queries effectively, focusing on intent rather than just keywords. Mobile-first indexing. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly sites, so ensure your website is responsive and offers a great user experience on all devices. Video SEO. Video content is booming, and optimizing your videos for search engines can drive significant traffic. Use descriptive titles, tags, and transcripts to improve your video rankings. 4. Measuring your success. To ensure your SEO efforts are paying off, use tools like Google Analytics, Search Console, and SEMrush to track your traffic, keyword rankings, and conversions. Regularly analyze this data to refine your strategies and maximize your earnings. Thanks for watching the Digital Millionaire Club. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video.